Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we're back at the Universal Orlando Resort checking out one of their prime value hotels, the Aventura Resort. This is located kind of close to Cabana Bay, which we have a video up on the channel of already, and right next door to Sapphire Falls. It makes things really convenient for getting to the parks, and you get a lot of extra privileges like early entry to the theme parks being the biggest one. You can walk to the theme parks, you can take a bus straight from the hotel, or you can walk straight over across the parking lot to the Sapphire Falls Resort and check out their boat transportation, which is pretty convenient. I did that a lot during my stay. So let's check out the entire property and see what's going on here. First, we're gonna check out the pool area. So in terms of pools, it's not really, the coolest pool I would say that's on property. Definitely nothing terrible there. They have Bar Sol, which is, their pool bar. Nice little pool table right there. Lots of little games scattered around. So plenty of things to do around the pool. It's a nice kind of infinity pool action, which is fun. They have these fire pits. And a little splash play area as well. Fits nicely around the building, which is kind of shaped like a fidget spinner. So that was kind of interesting during my stay. But yeah, overall, not necessarily like the most exciting pool area, but it does have all the amenities you're looking for, including like a hot tub, that sort of thing. This property is definitely not as sprawling as the other Universal Orlando resorts either. So it's basically just this main tower, and then you have the lobby, the pool area, and then their rooftop bar. So I got to check out a bunch of things here. Inside the lobby, there's of course the Universal Orlando ticket desk. There's the Universal Orlando official gift shop. There's a Starbucks, which is in all of the hotels as well as a lobby bar. And then I will check out my hotel room, which is a nice Skyline view room, 2 queens. So I definitely liked all the games and options here in case you're taking a break from the parks. Here's a shot of the bus transportation area, so this will take you direct to the theme parks. I do recommend taking the boat though, because it's a little bit more direct to the theme parks and you don't have to walk all the way through City Walk. I did take one elevator down from the parking garage and then walked through the lobby and then took the fancy elevators up to my room. Here's the central lobby. It kind of spreads out into 3 different wings here at the Aventura. And then here is my Skyline room. So pretty spacious room, I'll say. I had some cool amenities. Definitely liked all the closet space here. I feel like this is a decent room for sharing with family. Had some cool light fixtures, making everything feel kind of futuristic. They were kind of going for like a futuristic vibe here. Nothing futuristic about the coffee maker though. Nice big TV. And then they do have an iPad that can control a lot of the stuff around the room. So a little gimmicky, but kind of fun and cool. Nice little desk here to work at. And then I had a great view of Volcano Bay and Cabana Bay. So now we're gonna walk and check out the bathroom area. So really just a small divider between the sink and the main bedroom. And then here is the shower area and the toilet. So everything nice and ready for you there. Nothing really too crazy. So the rooftop bar is called Bar 17 Bistro. You can reach it from any of the guest elevators, or there's an express elevator from the lobby. It wasn't too busy my Monday night I was there, but I can imagine that this probably can get pretty popular. Here's a shot of the menus. No real central theme to this menu. I would say that there are definitely more kind of Asian dishes on here, which is great. I did try their Old Fashioned, which came with a fun little Aventura hotel stir in there, and then tried the Mongolian beef bao buns, as well as one pork belly one, and then wanted to try the Brussels sprouts because that's always something I love to get. So overall, food was pretty good and not really too pricey, I would say. It does have great views of the theme parks lit up at night, especially Volcano Bay, which isn't open at night, but they have some great lighting on the volcano over there. So definitely a cool place to check out and grab a drink. Downstairs, level 2, there is the small gym. It was pretty busy when I was in there, so I didn't want to bother too many people working out, but you get the idea. And then I wanted to head over to the theme parks for early entry, so I took a walk over to Sapphire Falls, which is right across the street from the Aventura Hotel. It's about a 5-minute walk, and then you're at the boat transportation. They go through security there on the dock, and then you're already in the secure area for City Walk and the theme parks. And the boat dock is right next to Universal Orlando and a short walk over to Islands of Adventure. So I do think that this is a quicker way to get to the parks than the bus transportation. That's super important for busy mornings like this when you want to go ride Hagrid's Magical Motorbike Adventure. So overall, a great stay at Aventura. I feel like if you're looking for a theme though, there's probably better options on property, but thanks a lot for watching. If you like these types of videos, shoot me a subscribe.